Liliana Jean Bean. Bean!
Hey guys, welcome back to Liliana Jean Bean. It's finally here, what I've been waiting for. Because I love them, they're so squishy. Here's the packaging. I'm going to dump it out and show you. They're called Mochi and they're super duper squishy. Look at them! They're so cute. I think this one might be I don't know. Let's open it and see what it is. A dragon? It feels like so soft. And I've never had a glitter one before. Let's get these wrappers off. 3, 2, 1, snap! Look at how cute they are. Look at this one. It's a little elephant. And you can squish them and squeeze them with Polo. It's a little alligator. It has little spikes right there. And lots of other cute things. Here's a unicorn. It looks like something that you could stretch and pull all day. And it is. I'll let you see the tail. Here's a little piggy. It's orange. Look it! He snorted! He's such a cute piggy. Is this a squid? This could be. I think it is. But it's a cute one. I think this one might be my favorite. It's a little cat. Now let's do the other kitty. It's purple and it's very chubby and fat. I love how these all have glitter in them. I mean, look it. Want me to show you closer? Here's a little sharky. Dun 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 dun. Or baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Look it, it's an angry shark. Ah! It might be a polar bear. I think that's what it is. It's a little hedgehog or porcupine. I don't know. But look at it's so cute and it has these little spikes. Here's a little puppy. Look at how he squishes and squeezes. I think. Wait, did I already show this one? Oh yeah. It's a little seal. Woo! Ark, ark, ark. Swim away, do-do-do-do, swim away, do-do-do-do, swim away, do-do-do-do. It's a little fishy. It's a purple starfish. It even has this texture of a starfish. Except if you cut one of its legs off, it won't grow back. Is this another elephant? It's so cute. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna hang out with my elephant friend. Here's an alligator. I'm gonna eat you. Roar, roar. Jump, jump. Is this another shark or is it a dolphin? I think it's a shark. Chicken? It's definitely a little chicken. I want to figure out what they're made out of. Kind of looks like they're made out of something jelly, like silicone maybe. They're all so cute. I can't stop squeezing them. But that was the last one. Nice to meet you guys. Here I am. I'm the dragon. I'm the fierce dragon. What? I thought dragons didn't exist. Hey! Sorry. It's okay. I love doing that. I'm part of the underwater crew too. I belong with the sharks and seafish and all that. We should all play together. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. There are so many chickens here. You know what we should play? What? Tag. Oh no, I'm not gonna be it. Woo. Elephant's it. Yay, I love being it. I'm gonna go for dragon. Oh, you're too fast. I'm gonna go for elephant. You'll never catch me. Well, let's see about that. I know I'll catch the squid. Octopus. Oh, yeah, sorry. Got you. Oh, no. I'm gonna go for crocodile. You'll never catch me. Wait, I'm a dinosaur. I forgot. Oh, yeah. I'm still gonna catch you. You're so jiggly and squishy. Oh, yeah. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you already haven't, and hit that bell notification. Bye, guys.